Welcome back. Today we are looking at the fire alarm control panel. Inside Signs Reflective, a comprehensive look at tech. Inch's modern industrial, commercial, and high-occupancy residential infrastructure. The integrity of a fire safety network depends heavily on rapid identification, physical security, and strict access governance. When first responders rush into a burning or smoke-filled facility, every second counts. Check the video description for the updated price link. They need immediate, unobstructed access to the central control hubs, most notably the primary Honeywell fire alarm panel system. However, physical visibility is only half the battle. Operational security, accountability, and reliable locking mechanisms form the cornerstone of ensuring that vital life safety control centers remain tamper-proof, protected from unauthorized access, and fully functional when disaster strikes. The fire alarm control panel inside Signs Reflective aluminum wall mount sign 1012 inches engineered specifically to address these critical compliance and operational security challenges. While often viewed as a simple accessory, high-grade labeling acts as an administrative safeguard, signaling to facility staff, maintenance contractors, and unauthorized personnel that the panel enclosure houses sensitive, life-critical electronics that require strict key control and authorized access protocols. This Inch's Depth SEO-optimized review, we will explore how this commercial-grade, rust-free aluminum sign integrates into broader building security layouts, emphasizing locking mechanisms, physical asset protection, operational readiness, and long-term durability. When discussing advanced fire alarm management infrastructure such as the industry-leading Honeywell Fire Alarm Panel System series, security professionals usually focus on software permissions, zone programming, addressable loop polling, and battery backup integrity. Yet, physical security is the absolute first line of defense. Standard commercial fire control cabinets feature heavy-duty keyed cam locks or specialized cabinet latching mechanisms designed to prevent casual tampering, accidental switch toggling, or malicious sabotage. Why is operational security paramount around a fire panel? Unauthorized individuals, whether curious visitors, untrained employees, or vandals, should never have physical access to system reset buttons, silent switches, or auxiliary disablement controls. A compromised control panel can lead to catastrophic failures, false alarm loops, or disabled notification appliances. Therefore, building managers implement strict key custody protocols, restricting panel keys to designated safety officers and certified fire technicians. However, physical locks and restricted keyways are only effective if personnel and emergency responders can instantly locate and recognize the secure boundary. This is where high-visibility signage becomes an active component of operational security. By mounting a clear, reflective identification placard directly above or adjacent to the locked cabinet enclosure, facility administrators establish a clear boundary marker. It reminds on-site staff that the enclosure is a secure, monitored life safety zone subject to strict operational protocols. Furthermore, during a high-stress crisis, emergency personnel can instantly distinguish the primary control hub from ordinary electrical or telecommunication boxes, ensuring that tactical decisions regarding system bypass or smoke evacuation are executed without delay. The fire alarm control panel inside Sign is built to meet rigorous commercial, industrial, and institutional specifications. Understanding its technical makeup reveals why it is an ideal complement to sophisticated security setups. Commercial-grade aluminum build manufactured from heavy-duty, rust-free aluminum. This sign is completely immune to corrosion, moisture degradation, and warping. Unlike cheap plastic signs that become brittle and yellow over time, aluminum maintains structural integrity in harsh industrial environments. Check the link in the description to get yours today.